made a very big difference in his life because it fit his hand perfectly.
We resized the flexi hand to make Nick's hand.
There was a gauntlet on your arm that holds all the strings, and then the string just goes all the way through the hand and back to the gauntlet. So when you move your wrist left up and down, it would move.
Printing is not hard, it is art. And art takes a lot of time. A lot of time.